Ready? Okay. One.
Well, that settles it. You guys are all sleeping over.
Wait.
We're gonna have a slumber party.
We can't.
We'll play tug of war. We'll tell spooky stories.
What?
Oh, I'll go first. Mine's about a dog who was bitten by a squirrel. And he started to get a squirrel.
It's a great way to unwind after a hard day of battling force speed. Okay, check it out. This is the map of the city. It's all there. That's me. That's you. That's the pet store. Oh, no, wait. That's the pet store. That's you. I think, it doesn't even matter. We'll figure it out on the way. Hopefully. Now head on around the corner to the building storage area. Go! Go! Yeah! All right, now get out. Come on. Now leave. Let's go.
She is just bitter with her place in life. She just mad because she's not a dime. It's gonna be fine, okay? Just listen to Captain Snowball and do exactly what he says. Unless he say something crazy, which he probably